Hi everyone, this is Mindy Eggen. I first want to start by saying I'm so sorry that I might be a little hard to hear or that my voice sounds a little rough. I was at the Simon Says Stamp Create event teaching at Create and Take at the Gina K Designs booth, and I lost my voice. So I'm going to have to make do with what I have, but I did want to come on here and share with you my unboxing. So over the weekend when I was gone, I received the Spellbinders Platinum Scout. So this is a mini die cutting machine. I'm really excited to open it and start using it. So I wanted to get this video filmed to show you kind of in person what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and start opening the box. Now, right off the bat, as I open it, you're going to have some papers on the top. This is where you could register your machine to receive $5 off. You also have your manual. So this is your operating instructions for the Platinum Scout. It's essentially the Platinum 6, but just smaller. So in here, it's going to give you the exact measurements of everything. How to open, you have your turning handle, and then your sandwiches for the plates. We have some plates and some pieces to get you started, so I will look that through in just a second. So right away, as I take that out of the box, you can immediately see it is just like the Platinum 6 die cut machine. The only real difference I'm noticing right off the bat is it doesn't have that handle in the center, which is mainly probably due to just its compact size. But the handle is already attached. You have your openings here, just like your Platinum 6. So you could open it on each end, and it's going to have that nice base for your plates to run through. So as I open up this package, we have a 3D embossing folder. So this is one of the skinny versions that's going to be able to fit in your die cut machine. They also gave you this cute die set to get you started. And I believe this is just kind of a maintenance toolkit because my handle already came assembled, so I didn't have to assemble anything. So I would save that in case anything happens. Then you have your universal plate system. So we have our shim, and they're all labeled. This is that kind of thin piece. You have an embossing mat, our adapter plate, a cutting plate, your additional cutting plate. B is our platform top, and then A is our platform base. And right off the bat, you can see how all of your sandwiches are listed on here, just like on the Platinum 6. So this will tell you how you can build a die cutting sandwich, so kind of your standard. Then we have how to emboss a cut shape, how to build a standard embossing folder sandwich, and then how to build a 3D embossing folder sandwich. And as you can tell just from the size alone, you're only going to be able to use kind of these skinny ones or any type of smaller. You're not going to be able to use those big ones because they're obviously not going to fit. Now, I don't have a ruler handy with me right now, so I'm just going to open up that operating manual, and you're going to see that your universal plate system, all of these plates, are 3.5 by 9 inches. So that is going to fit right through the opening of your die cut machine. And then your embossing folder, I do have a grid here on my work surface, is about 8 3/4 by 3 inches. So 8 3/4 by 3 inches, going to fit perfectly onto your sandwich. So this is going to be really great if you have some super long dies, maybe some borders, or doing some mini slimline or slimline cards. And I love having something small like this on my desk, so I don't need to worry about a large die cutting system. and it just folds up nicely, just like my Platinum 6. So I can just set that off on the side in the corner of my desk. The other thing, even just kind of moving this around, it's really easy to just pick this up right in the center. I don't even really need it to have a handle there. And it's pretty lightweight. So let's go ahead. I'll just do some die cutting quick of some flowers just to test this out. And then I am going to be putting this bad boy to work. I have some catching up to do from being gone. So let's just grab some flowers. And then I have some scratch paper here I'm just going to trim down. And here you can just look, it's just like your universal system. So if I'm going to do a die cutting sandwich, I'm going to have my platform, which is letter A, my B platform top, then I'm going to need C, a cutting plate, then you're going to have your cardstock, you're going to have your die, and then your top cutting plate. So that's how you're going to create your sandwich. So let's give this a test run. All right, here we go. Perfect. So just like my Platinum 6, where is my pokey tool? I forgot where I put everything now. I've been gone for a while. Where is it? Let's use this one. So just like my Platinum 6 die cut machine, I am going to keep one cutting plate that I actually cut into, and then the other one I'm going to always use as my top. And then I do like to, even with my Platinum 6, rotate that plate. I like to flip to different spots of where I'm die cutting from, and sometimes I'll even flip the plates all together. And that just helps reduce warping. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick look at that to show you kind of in person what the Platinum Scout looks like. I'm not going to do any embossing right now, but you can do your 3D embossing. So just follow the template that the plates provide. I just kind of wanted to give you that quick look at what this looks like. Now keep in mind, this is the white version. There is also a Lilac Shimmer version, which is absolutely beautiful. I've seen the pictures of it. So it's a light purple with a shimmer to it that's just like this. That is sold exclusively on the Spellbinders website. And they are also coming out with a Platinum 6 machine in that same Lilac Shimmer. And I will put some pictures up so you can see that. So I had a really hard time choosing which one I wanted to do, if I wanted to do that Lilac Shimmer or the white. I'm going to go with the white, even though that Lilac Shimmer looks absolutely beautiful. Those are exclusive to the Spellbinders website, but if you want to pre-order, these are on pre-order right now. You can head to the Spellbinders website. I'll provide links down below in the video description, and you can go ahead and get yours pre-ordered. I love this, and I'm excited to get this put to work. So thank you so much for stopping by for this quick unboxing. I am so sorry that I sound a little rough today. If I met you at the Simon Says Stamp Create event this May in 2024, thank you. I had a blast. I'm excited to meet so many people, and losing my voice was absolutely well worth it. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you again soon with some more videos. Bye.